Hey, my money peeps! Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hey! My name is Tanya, aka Money and Nails, and here on this channel, we talk about anything and everything that relates to money and budgeting. So today, guys, I have some happy mail that I want to share with all of you. So let's go. Now, the first package that I have here is from my girl, Shop Butterfly Kisses, aka Tanya. Now, I was scrolling through her page and I was like, you know what? I need this. I need this. So let's go ahead and open up and see what I picked out. So she had these Starbucks tumblers on there that she was custom making. And I was like, I need that in my life. I need that. I need it now. So let me show you. First, no, let's start with the lid first. Okay. And so this is the lid that she custom blinged for me, of course, with my color red. Could have it no other way. And then the cup. Y'all, look at this. Look at this. It's beautiful. And I mean, hello, Tanya. Now y'all know how I feel about my name. Tanya. How gorgeous is this cup? Let's put the lid on. Y'all, I'm ready to go make me a drink real quick. Girl, you outdid yourself. Okay, let's get our other item out of here. And then I have a question. What do you guys call this? Because in my house, we call this ghost poop. I don't know how that came about, but we've always called this since my kids were little. Ghost poop. It's whoops, out of the way. I'm knocking stuff over. My kitty cat. All right, so the other item that I got from her was a $5 saving challenge. Now I do have, see, an envelope that's in my saving challenge binder. That's pretty empty. Yeah, because our girl hasn't been doing it, but I feel like this would give me some motivation to do the $5 saving challenge. So thank you for that. And this is another LV dashboard that says money, and we are going to put that in my planner wallet. And then it looks like we got some cute little freebies in here. Let's check these out. And so this is really cute. It's actually a care instructions for the cut, but I might just have to put this in my wallet because it has a little sparkle and bling to it. We have a thank you card. We have a cute pink sticker that will actually go with the theme of my wallet. So that might have to go in there too. We got an LV sticker. Hey, y'all need to check out her shop. She has such cute stuff. I actually have another Starbucks cup that she made for me. And let me grab that one too. So she's also did this one for me and blinged this out. I mean, how cute is that? So y'all, go check her out. All right, it is time for a question of the day. Now, y'all, 17 days until my season begins. And what season is that? That is Christmas. Now, I know some people are like really into the spooky season, aka Halloween, and you all are going out in full force. I've seen so many houses that are decked out. So let me know, do you have a season? So this next planner shop reached out to me, and they are called Soul Momma. And we are going to open up a large package first. Be careful. My address is on this side. Okay, and then let's just open up a small one at the same time. All right, so let's see. So the box says Soul Momma Rituals and Crafts. Okay, on the inside here it says thank you so much. And we have an A6 planner in here. Let's look at this planner design. So this planner is based on your zodiac sign. And of course, I am a bull. I am a Taurus. Wow, look at this. I love the patterns and the texture that you can feel in here. And it has the name of the shop on here. So Momma. Let's see what else is in here. And oh, she included a $200 saving challenge. I mean, you can never get enough of saving challenges. We have some A6 pouches in here. Let's open this up. Ooh, and I like these because these aren't the ones that have like the zipper. You know, if you've been around for a while, you know I struggle with opening up those pouches. But I like this. This is totally different. It like tucks in. I've never seen that before. That's a cool idea. There's like a little slit right here that you can put it in. Okay, so we have A6 size envelopes, and then it looks like there's some labels here. If my hands can work. All right. So, oh, this is cool. She included labels. Now, if you are just starting out with cash envelopes, budgeting, a lot of times you just cannot think of like, what category should I have? And this, I love when shops do this, when they give you just a variety and that you can pick because everyone's bills are different. So it looks like on here she has, there's personal, emergency, insurance, rent, debt, savings, pet, birthdays, vacations, clothing, groceries, school, allowance. Ooh, that's a good one if you have kids. Beauty, gifts, date night. Love all these. And I love this cursive and this coloring, this gold. This is really pretty. Okay, let's see what's in our other package right over here. Okay. So same thing, says Soul Momma the name. And how too cute. Look how tiny this is. It says a $200 saving challenge. Like fits right into my hand. And you have all this so cute. It's a little tiny binder. I have never seen them that small. Okay, let me just get this open. How stinking cute is this? Look how tiny this is. Too cute. Okay. Oh, and there's the pouches are inside. Excuse me. I cannot handle how so tiny these are. These are so cute. This is crazy. And it just opens up at the side. Okay. Oh, and she also has categories in here. Look, the same stickers over there, but in tinier size. So the exact same things are on here. Food, clothing, beauty, gifts, gas, rent, debt, all the categories that you could possibly think of. Y'all, this is too cute. It just cracks me up. I love this. I love how tiny this is. Like you see with my hand. Okay, what is in here? Let's see. Looks like it might be more envelopes. I got like a mess going on here. Oh my gosh, it is. So we have more envelopes and more stickers and categories. You can take these right here and stick it inside. Like if you don't want to put the name on the outside of the envelope, I believe, if I'm doing this right, you would just take the sticker right here and you would stick it on the card inside and then stick it inside the envelope. That's what I'm thinking. And that way, if it's on here, you can take this out. And if you had like a different envelope that you want to go to, like maybe a pouch, the zipper pouch, then you could just stick this right in there. And it'll already have the category stuck right on there. that is a great idea. I never even thought about doing something like that. Y'all need to check out this shop too, Soul Momma. I will have an affiliate link in my description if you guys want to check out her website. These are really cute items. And it sounds like I may be doing a giveaway. You'll have to stay tuned for that. All right, guys, thank you for watching my unboxing. Don't forget to check out both these shops down in my description, Soul Momma and Shop Butterfly Kisses. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, like this girl's video, and don't forget to go down in the comments and let me know what your season is. And until next time, guys, see ya!